This is how to see the number of storages you have left in your Gmail account. First is to swipe up and then tap on your Gmail application. If you're using more than one Gmail account, ensure that you're logged into the application with that particular Gmail account you want to check its storage. All right. So after that, get to home, then scroll until you get to Drive. It comes pre-installed on every Android. Tap on Drive. On tapping on Drive, you will see your profile icon at the top right. And the profile icon here is the same with the one I have in my Gmail, which means I'm logged into the same Gmail account. Then tap on the three lines at the top left. This shows that I have 6.45 gigabytes of 15 gigabytes used. So what this means is that I can see my storage here. Okay, meaning that I have not even used up to 50%. But to see more, which is about Gmail, tap on that storage section. On tapping on that storage section, scroll down. Okay, on scrolling down, you see where you have more details. Tap on that. So you can see that Gmail has used 6.24 gigabytes. Then followed by WhatsApp, followed by Google's, followed by Photos. Okay, so what this means is that I have a lot of storage left here because it's this same storage that controls Gmail, WhatsApp you have on your iPhone. If you back up your WhatsApp automatically on your Android, sorry, not iPhone in this case, then Google Drive and Google Photos. But the major things here are Gmail, Google Drive, Photos, Docs, and Slides. All right, all those Google applications, they have one storage, 15 gigabytes. So the more file you have in any of them, the more storage space it takes. If this video helps, consider subscribing, hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you and see you some other time.